Welcome to Select EV. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to register as a seller and set up your pickup location on the Select EV platform. Let's begin. Seller registration process. First, open the Select EV website and click on Become a Seller. You will see the registration form. Personal details section. Enter your full name. Provide your mobile number with country code. For India, select +91 and enter your active number. Enter the OTP you received to your number. Enter your email ID. Enter the OTP you received to your mail. Create a strong password. Consider all the password guidelines. Re-enter the password in the Confirm Password field. Enter your complete business address. Upload your authorized signature in JPG format. Store Details section. Enter your store name. Upload your store logo. If available, enter your store website URL. Add a clear and short store description about your business. Select your store type, wholesaler, retailer, or both. Store tax details. Enter your legal business name exactly as per GST records. Enter your GST number carefully. Upload your GST certificate in JPG format. Bank details. Enter the recipient's name as per bank records. Enter your bank account number. Enter your bank name. Enter your bank IFSC code. Enter your bank branch name. Submit registration. If the system shows business name doesn't exist, simply update the legal business name to exact legal store name as per GST records and try again. Carefully review all details. Click on Submit or Register to complete your seller registration. Pickup location setup. After successful registration, the next step is to set up your pickup location. Go to the dashboard and click on Manage Pickup Location. Now fill in the required details. Enter the pickup location name. Enter the shipper's name. Provide the email address of the shipper. Enter the phone number of the shipper. Now fill in the location details. Enter the city. Enter the state. Select the country. Enter the correct PIN code. In the address field, enter the primary pickup address. If there are additional details, fill in address line 2. Once all details are entered correctly, click on Add Pickup Location. Your pickup location is now successfully configured. That's it! You are now fully set up to start selling on Select EV. Thank you for choosing Select EV.